अलग सी पहचान बनाने की आदत है हमें। मुश्किलों से ना घबरा कर आगे बढ़ने की आदत हमें। नमस्ते, आई एम अल्पाशा, full of life, active, an experimental cook, self-motivated from Bollywood city of Mumbai. I born and brought up in small village called Khamgaon from Maharashtra. Got married and fly down to Mumbai, a dream city. Suddenly I realized that I got a wings to fly. Graduated in commerce and business management. My interest in arts and designs drew me towards commercial arts, which is a full-time 3 years course in Rahejaz, and that too after my marriage. Worked couple of years in agencies, then I've started my own design studio called Mouse Designs, running successfully past 14 years. I believe knowledge makes you more wiser. I always keep learning new things. I learned French language and I'm also certified in handwriting analysis. I also won a lot of business certificates and trophies from different networking groups. Charity comes natural to me. I believe a small act can also help. By helping someone to cross the road, it's also a charity. I am connected to Rotary International and Innerville Club past 20 years, where we have a setup for eye donation, polio booth, health camps and adopted schools to serve the society. It is said that we make living by what we get, but we make life by what we gift. And that proposed me and my hubby to start our social venture called Give Change ORG, a platform where we connect donors and donees for a social cause. Adventure sports, exploring new places and traveling is another part of me. I am a regular at White River rafting at Rishikesh and also in adventure sports like zipline, rappelling and bungee jumping. I have done backpack tours in US, Europe and Switzerland and tried all the activities over there. I love to soak in their culture and try new different cuisines. To remain physically fit, I do swimming and Zumba. Also for psychological well-being, I do yoga and meditation. A yearly visit at Osho Nisarga Dharamshala makes me a calm human being. All this would not have possible without my family. I am lucky that I have got very supportive in-laws who encourage and take interest in my every activities. My hubby CA Manoj Shah, who is a constant inspiration for me. He who the one who believes and understands the real meaning of freedom for women. My parents and my siblings are extremely proud when they know that I am one of the finalists of this pageant. My both side families are so supportive that they are helping me in all the ways for this pageant. A small message to all lovely women out here. I am not special. I am just like you. Start believing in yourself. World will believe you. Do not forget that if you cannot help yourself, no one can help you. After participating in this pageant, I became more confident, more clear about my life and my vision. My sincere gratitude to Ritika ma'am and Vinay Yaga sir for providing such a beautiful platform for every woman out here. I also thank HCWA, philanthropy partner and entire team of Mrs. India, Queen of Substance for providing and helping every moment in this journey. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Shri Krishna.